AISSE Class 10 अमसुंग AISSCE Class 12 की examination 2025 दा 100% success ओइरबा SP Gerwell School की छात्र छात्री सिंह अखोई पुन्ना यंगमिनसी
CH Kalingamba, we have Sushant Rai, Sabo Singh Ilika Devi, MM Naimuddin, Abrar Aziz Kulapam, Sinthoipi Thipaikam, Angela Tonjam, Jenita Natham, and Thaudian Milan, as well as Nauren Amrita. So these are the 14 students who have scored more than 80. 80 digina 89. So we have Dhanraj, Sarma Kumran Latham, Nauren Maniton, Mayekam Sanan Tim, El Kerina, CH Kalingamba, Sushant Rai, Sabo Singilija, MM Naimuddin, Abraz Aziz Kulapam, Sinthoipi Thipaikam, Angela Tonjam, Jenita Natham, TH Lane, and Nauren Amrita. And for these students, say not only academic experience, but computer high level students in the PBO. Dari khata khata na ne. For this school ki every function, every activity singa. First second taba, you wada natana. Every activities ta. For debate, declamation, quiz, recitation competition, any event singa. For you must say ubudi. For you hitler saba, or saba. Students say, they come saba, students saba. Not only in academics, but they have excelled in co-curricular activities also. Not only in, they have excelled in co-curricular activities also. So they have excelled. So they have students in a teacher, I'm so sorry, my mistake, I missed that. So sorry, we have, so the Yoram say, Ahujam Dayananda, KG Laisram, Tarun Kumar, and Muhammad Basoya, Kaiba, Kamacha Barish, Ahujam Dayananda, KG Laisram, Aina Kumatamla, Ahujam Dayananda, KG Laisram, have scored 80 points. So we have mistake So we have Apoyam Dayananda, KG Laisram, Yamik Tarun Kumar, and Muhammad Basoya. So they score 80. So I have seen earlier also. Apoy say not only in academics, they have excelled in co-curricular activities also. Please, Sana Yoromani, gaming sports, Yoromani, it's and every activities that Apoy say at the Kimati, Yam Tawayam, Aduga, Mayam, the Kisu to Hituka, Mako Kalana, Bokana, Basturian Gardening. Thank you so much to all the guys, all the best, and congratulations. So thank you everyone. Now, we say, CC, school authority na, also Mazasina, we say, around the Yamuna. Angela is here. Angela say, Angela say, Matato is okay now. Yana, school, Mazasina, Yamna, brilliant, bright, teacher, the young school, student, Angela Tonjam, Master. She scored, Angela Tonjam scored 82.4. Also, other people prize of student, Cyber last captain, so I Mataki school captain, we are the chances by Angela Tonjam. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, probable candidate Anthony, Haba Anthony, High aduga maram sumokpa student atani sujiki kakotrima me amto kakotri haraga level ibang me amsi maram mo kahani na te point ai jase wala ma maram mo ma atani but certain somewhere certain marks amani ko kena ki baatu ko te ko ko bani but it does not define that they are best and they are adu ko so te they call so all of them are best. They have made us proud. They have made our school sign